If you are new to my channel, my name is Janet. And ngayon ay nandito kami sa property kasi nag-cut ng grass si hubby. And napakaganda ng panahon today kasi napaka-bright ng araw. Tapos malamig ang simoy ng hangin. So autumn is the perfect weather for me talaga. And so we get out from this truck and let's walk around. So maglakad-lakad tayo dito mga kaibigan. Nag-jacket ako kasi sun protection. Alam mo na, kailangan natin ng sun protection. Kapili natin ng bagon. Pagkahaba ng bagon guys. Ito yung kabuuan ng property guys. So guys, ang ginagawa nila dito ay yung mga pinuputol nilang mga kahoy ay sinunog nila. Tapos pag nasunog na at may mga tira-tira, maghukay sila guys, maghuhukay sila yan. Hinukay nila yan. Tapos, yung mga maliliit na mga kahoy na natitira-tira, ilubong nila yan sa ilalim ng lupa para malinis ang resulta ng kanilang mga ginagawa. So, yan guys. Ang kagandahan kasi meron silang mga equipment na panglungag sa lupa at pang-cut ng mga grass at meron din silang bulldozer. Sana may natutunan paano linisin ang mga ganitong klaseng trabaho. Magputol ng mga kahoy. Daming mga sticks dito guys. Ang daming mga sticks. Yan. Lilinisin nila yan lahat. Sana naman ay mahali na ito. Ang property na ito. Ang plano sana dito ay tumba nila lahat ng kahoy. Pero pag-isipan nila na wag na lang. Baka yung bibili ng lupa ay kailangan niya ng mga kahoy or mga puno. So hindi na lang nila tinumba lahat. So may tinira silang mga kaunting mga puno sa kagitnaan at hanggang doon pa yung lilinisin nila. May 1/4 pa na property guys na kailangan nilang linisin. So medyo malaki-laki pang trabaho dito guys na gagawin nila. At saka winter time na. And malamig. So mag-stop na naman silang mag-work dito. And then maghintay naman sila next year para tapusin na naman to. Ito, may malaking pile dito. Today, hindi sila masyadong nag-work dito kasi maputik. Tapos, malubong yung ligid ng mga bulldozer. Hubby is right there. Kung makikita nyo, malayo. Ayan. Nag-cut ng grass. Ang ganda naman ito, guys. Ang dami. Pero hindi naman makakain yan. Ayan, guys. Ano to? Prutas. Pero parang hindi naman ito makakain. Ang dami nila, oh. Ang dami. Pero parang hindi naman ito makakain. Yung amoy niya parang maasim. Pero hindi na lang tayo mag-try kasi baka ma-poison tayo. Kamatay ko pa. Alis na lang tayo dyan kasi maraming uod dito. Our kind of Sunday.
Huh?
This is our kind of Sunday.
Especially now when the weather's good.
Just chilling outside. It's cool, breezy, and look at all the flowers and nice sceneries.
Off-road package. Here it is, guys. Truck. This is a gas truck. I want to confirm which engine. This has the 7.3, but this would be a 7.3 with the torque shift G transmission. Okay.
We are here in Champy's Muscle Shoals. They say this is the best chicken place. So hubby decided to take me here because I love fried chicken. So this is a chicken place, guys. This is my first time here in Muscle Shoals. And looks nice here. The weather is good. And you can sit here outside. It's a nice ambience. There's another grocery here, Southern. The name is Southern Grocery. Yep. It's a perfect day today because it's cool, sunny, and now I'm ready to eat. I'm very hungry. The vibes here is very southern. If I'm gonna rate this place 1 to 10, I rate 6. And I'm very excited to taste the chicken if it's gonna be the best.
Here we go. You're welcome. Does everything look good?
Yep, so far.
but it's a lot of potatoes.
Yeah.
Okay, the chicken comes with 2 sides, but we make a mistake. We order mashed potatoes and french fries. Wow, that's a lot of potatoes. And we order the white meat 2 pieces. Here we go. The chicken is very oily and the meat is very dry. So if I'm gonna rate this chicken 1 to 10, 10 is the highest. For me, it's 3. Look at this place, guys. They sell Western clothing. And this is what they sell. They got nice bags here. Grabe kamahal. Oh my God. Pero na ako'y giganahan. This one is nice. Pero I don't know. $79. That is 3,000 something pesos. And they have like this too. Grabe ka bugat. They got lots of things here. It's very nice. This is very nice here. Wrangler.
That's much better.
You still finding everything okay, man?
Western clothing.
You finding everything okay?
Sila yung mga polo, long sleeve, jeans, shorts, and many more. And nasa sila yung mga socks. And you know what, guys? This is made of snake cobra. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And you know how much is that? That one is $359. Gosh, this is made of deer skin and more expensive than the snake ones. And this is made of turkey. Golly. So these are the Western clothing.